What's up guys, welcome to the official Google Day. The Pixel 6 series is finally here. It's time to see how Google Absolute Unit, the max out Pixel 6 Pro, stack up against the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. We have a massive jump as compared to the previous generation from Google, some amazing new pro level features from Google that can actually give a tough time to the Ultra flagship from Samsung. Now, the number one and far most important thing about both the devices is the pricing. The pricing of the upcoming Pixel 6 Pro is definitely going to be a great advantage as compared to the S21 Ultra, which has been released in January and still its pricing is at around $1,000, whereas the Pixel 6 Pro has recently launched and its pricing start at $899, which is definitely going to be a great pricing to consider when we have great specification inside. So starting from the display of both the devices, the Google Pixel 6 Pro will be rocking a 6.7-inch of OLED panel, whereas the S21 Ultra is coming with a 6.8-inch of display. Both the devices are coming with 120 Hz of refresh rate and both are supporting the L2PO technology, which is definitely going to be a great option to have. Also, both the devices are running the in-display fingerprint scanner as well, but the Google Pixel 6 Pro in-display fingerprint scanner is an optical base, where we have ultrasonic fingerprint scanner on the S21 Ultra. Both the devices are going to be having same Gorilla Glass Victus protection and both are coming with IP68 water and dust resistance. So overall, both the devices are having a kind of a similar spec sheet in terms of their display. On the back, we have the camera sensors, which are pretty much different in both the devices. The Google Pixel 6 Pro will be coming with triple camera setup, in which the main sensor is of 50 megapixel, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and we have a new 48 megapixel telephoto camera sensor, which has more time of optical zoom and 20 time of digital zoom available. As far as the S21 Ultra is concerned, it's coming with a quad camera setup on the back side, in which the main sensor is of 108 megapixel, 2 telephoto lens and an ultra wide camera, which on paper looks like could be a better camera sensor, but as far as we know that the Google has a great computational photography and their algorithm is so much optimized for the good photography, and the video quality in this Pixel 6 Pro has been improved yet again. So this means that there is going to be a tough competition for Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra in terms of the camera performance. As far as the internet is concerned, we have definitely seen an improvement in the Pixel 6 Pro. We have now a new Tensor chipset, which is coming with 2 high efficiency cores, 2 low efficiency cores and 20 core of a GPU, which is definitely going to be a great in terms of GPU performance. As far as the S21 Ultra, it's coming with Exynos 2100 and Snapdragon 888 processor, so their performance is going to be limited and different in different regions. When it comes to battery, both the devices are coming with a massive 5000 milliamp, which can last for a whole day. Also, both the devices are going to be having a different kind of a charging speed. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is going to be supporting 25 watt of fast charging, whereas we are going to see 30 watt of charging speed inside the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So overall guys, I definitely think that the Google Pixel 6 Pro is going to give the S21 Ultra a great competition as compared to all the spec sheet that is coming inside. The cameras are definitely going to be one of the major area in which Google, I think, will be winning. The rest of the specs are going to be pretty much similar in both the devices. So I do think that the $899 price tag will definitely going to be a great option to have for the Pixel 6 Pro, and it will give the Pixel 6 Pro a great advantage as compared to S21 Ultra. Anyway guys, this is my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.